Hey everyone, my name's T, a community manager and head tester here on Velora.tv. We got a brand new update video for you guys. It is August 5th, 2026 on a Wednesday, and I'm gonna go through what is new on Velora. First off, you might have noticed that the banner says, "Thank you for 3,000 plus registered users." We've been growing exponentially fast, and we couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you all so very much for giving us a chance and finding your new home here with us. Let's get on with the updates. First of all, if I click my name and go to settings, not much is going to show, but if I scroll down, that's right, we now have integrated pronouns. There's no external extensions needed for this. There's no weird wizardry play here. These are pronouns that are actually added to Velora.tv without the use of extensions. So, you have a wide variety of pronouns that you can use, which is very, very nice. So you can show who or what do you want to be pronounced as. Are you a she, they, he, them, whatever pronoun you wish to use, and you have your standard visibility settings here. Do you want to keep it hidden? Do you want it to show it when someone clicks on your profile? Or do you want it to show everywhere? When you do select showing it everywhere, it'll also appear in our live chat, as I will demonstrate right now. I'm gonna click my name and go to my profile. And then I want y'all to pay attention to the chat box that's on the right hand side. If I say hello, you will see that my pronoun actually does show right next to my name. And there is no extension play in here. If I open up my extensions for my browser, there's nothing here. Nothing here either. It's built into Velora, and we hope this will bring awareness to your sexuality. Next, we have officially announced our public beta test for our OBS Studio Streamer plugin. You will find that by clicking your name, top right, go to Creator Dashboard. On the left-hand side, go to Stream Key and OBS plugin, and right there, dead center, you will find our download for our official Velora.tv streamer plugin for OBS Studio. To clarify, this plugin does sadly not work on Meld Studio, and it doesn't work on Streamlabs Desktop. It also doesn't work in Prism Live Studio, and it doesn't work with Polypop Stream. Unfortunately, this is an OBS Studio plugin only, until Meld Studio and the other aforementioned streaming softwares opens up their program to accept third-party plugins. As for how the plugin would look like, here I have OBS Studio, and as you can see at the bottom right corner, you will see our OBS plugin running. This plugin is supported on macOS, Windows, and my operating system of choice, Linux. It's as simple as download the installer, click install, open up OBS, make sure OBS is closed before you open it up after installation. Click Sign into Velora, which is this yellow button here. Authorize the sign in, and just hit Go Live on Velora. It is that simple. Do note that this plugin is in public beta, and we really could use your help making this plugin the best it can be. To do so and to help us make it the best plugin, go to this video's description below, join our Discord server, and help us make this plugin the best it can be. We designed this plugin to be simple and easy to use without doing the guesswork between bitrate, video settings, and overall what other advanced encoder settings that you need to throw into OBS. If I open up my settings, this is what the account tab looks like. You have your Velora account. If you are not signed in, this will show as a sign in instead of a sign out. You have open chat doc in browser, and we do have a button to report a problem. When you click the button, please describe the best of your ability what went wrong with the plugin when you were trying to use it. Once you've clicked OK and followed the steps After that, a OBS log from the plugin will be provided and sent to us so that we can actually diagnose the problem with this plugin. We also added chat rules officially. To access that, go to your creator dashboard, click your name at the top right. If you're on our homepage, go to creator dashboard. On the left hand side, click on community, go to moderation. Then you'll see a new entry called chat rules. Here you can officially add your chat rules for the viewers to read before they can chat in your chat room. Word your rules so that it is clear for the viewer before they start chatting to obey and read by. Pivoting back to profile settings and channel tags, we've also added the ability to add a warning screen for every time your viewer or a viewer enters your stream. To find it, click your name at the top right, go to settings, go to profile, scroll down until you see channel tags, which I am at right now. Click the drop-down menu. You'll see this drop-down menu appear. If I scroll, you will start to see tags that are highlighted in yellow. These tags will throw up a warning screen on your stream that a viewer sees before entering your stream. If you're someone that is an 18+ mature streamer, has a alcohol substance use, if your stream contains potential flashing lights, gambling, graphic violence, jump scares, intense motion, loud sudden audio, sensitive topics, or strong language, when you add that, a warning message or warning screen will appear on your stream that the viewer will see, warning them that this is the type of things that are going to happen in your stream. For example, I'm here at Shishimi's stream, and I just saw this warning pop up for the stream. The warning reads, "Before you watch, this broadcaster has marked the stream as containing the following: 18+ mature audiences with loud and sudden audio." To proceed with watching the stream, click I understand and start watching. The stream will continue to play as normal. And that is it for what's new on Velora. We hope these quality of life changes improves your experience on the gold standard of streaming and allows you to fit out your stream precisely how you want it. Please do subscribe to the official Velora YouTube channel, where tutorials, showcase, how-tos, and what's new videos are to be expected. See you in our Discord, and see you in the next video.